Sudhakar Das, Newsnight Desk, DD India.
And the battle against the coronavirus pandemic is raging on across the country. The recovery rate has crossed the 63% mark, and all measures are being taken by the centre and states to ensure the disease is contained and the chain of transmission broken, including periodical lockdowns in more affected areas. The day also saw the PM remarking that India is moving forward even during these tough times. It's working non-stop and tirelessly to combat the virus.
The battle against COVID pandemic has intensified. The recovery rate of COVID patients in India is improving steadily. Data released on Thursday reveals that the number of people recovering per day has also increased. The last 24 hours saw the highest ever single-day number of patients cured and discharged at 29,557. The total number of patients who have recovered has risen to 7,82,606. The recovery rate has also increased to 63.18%. The gap between recovered patients and active COVID cases has further widened to 3,56,439. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has reiterated that till a vaccine is developed, everyone must continue to take required precautions and fight the challenge of the pandemic together.
कोरोना के इस संकट काल में भी देश रुका नहीं है, देश थमा नहीं है और देश थका भी नहीं है। जब तक वैक्सीन नहीं आती है, जहां कोरोना के खिलाफ हमें मजबूती से लड़ते रहना है, विजयी होना है, वहीं विकास के कार्यों को भी पूरी ताकत से आगे बढ़ाना है.
Local administrations have been put on alert in states that are recording a sharp rise in number of COVID cases. Kerala Assembly session has been cancelled in view of the pandemic. In Madhya Pradesh, Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan reviewed the efforts to tackle COVID outbreak. In view of the spike in cases in Bhopal, state government has decided to impose lockdown for 10 days starting from midnight of 24 July.
24 तारीख की रात से मतलब 25 की सुबह से 10 दिन के लिए भोपाल में पूर्णतः लॉकडाउन रहेगा. आना जाना दोनों ही प्रतिबंधित रहेगा. अगर किसी को आना और जाना है तो वो ई पास के माध्यम से आ जा सकता है.
West Bengal government has admitted to community spread in various parts of the state. To contain the spread of the deadly disease, state government has opted the recourse of total lockdown in the state. Lockdown will be observed twice in a week. Jammu and Kashmir administration has imposed a 6-day lockdown in all red districts from yesterday till July 27th. Except Bandipora, 9 districts in the valley have been declared as red zones. Movement of essential and emergency services will remain unaffected. In Manipur, state government announced a 14-day complete lockdown in the entire state. All essential services will be exempted from the purview of the lockdown. In Arunachal Pradesh, the state registered a new high in single-day increase in cases. 91 new cases were recorded in the past 24 hours, taking the total tally of confirmed cases to 949. Rapid antigen tests are being conducted in different places in Itanagar capital region. The joint efforts of the centre and state government has helped manage the fatality rate of COVID-19 in India. The fatality rate in India is 2.4% and is amongst the lowest in the world. With inputs from Nitendra Singh, Newsnight Desk, DD India.